Hello guys, and today we will discuss also important thing about YouTube. So about audio library. What is it and for what is created by YouTube command, YouTube team? Yeah. So audio library is like free audio that you can use in every single video, and you don't you won't get banned. Yeah. So there are nothing root, yeah, from authority, and yeah, you won't get banned. You can use every single melody, every single music from here, and also there is a lot of music, and the most important thing, how to save your time and how to search music. And today we will discuss you. So yeah, you can make some tasty, some tea, and enjoy this video. You are on channel Scarabyte. So firstly, we have this filter. Click here and like search. We can search some special words. For example, I don't know, guitar, or for example, I don't know, if you know some special track title, yeah, you can uh, mm, you can write here, but I don't remember nothing. So yeah, it help us, yeah. Also genre. Yeah, you can choose the genre of your music, what you need for your special video. So depends of mood of your video. So if it is some let's play, so you can put like a cinematic, or I don't know, classic, maybe in some point jazz and blues. So yeah, but if you have something romantic video, so yeah, you can also put classic music. Yeah, also we have artist name, if you know some artist. I think I remember one, Aaron, if it is no, no. Also we can choose the duration of every single melody and mood. Yeah, dramatic, romantic. So yeah, if you have romantic video, so like, oh, such romantic video. Yeah, so we have romantic video, so I choose this mood. So yeah, it help a lot, and you can use every single. So also some effects, yeah, category. So I don't know, cartoon, for example, and yeah, you can use it, and there are no roots. So yeah, thank you for watching, and you were on channel called Scarabyte. I think I helped you, and you can like my video, subscribe to my channel, and go to the description and write something. So yeah, bye bye.